Got a few buns left over from your holiday grill out? Usually happens. Today, Howard shows us the perfect side dish to keep them from going to waste. We're making rancher-style cheese buns in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I hope you had a great 4th. If you're like me, you'll probably have a bunch of leftovers to eat up over the next few days. You know, when I saw how many hamburger and hot dog buns I had left, I knew I needed to come up with a way to use them. So let me show you what we did. The first thing we do is combine some softened cream cheese with a bit of mayo, dry ranch dressing mix, and some shredded cheddar cheese. We give this a stir, and once it comes together, we spread it over some hot dog or hamburger buns that we split in half. You want to make sure you're generous with this so every bite is nice and cheesy. Right before you're ready to serve them, place them in the oven and bake them until the cheese mixture is all melty and the edges of the buns begin to brown. What a great way to turn leftover buns into something that everyone will be asking for seconds or even thirds of. These are so good, you'll probably be adding hamburger and hot dog buns to your grocery list all year long. To get the recipe for our rancher-style cheese buns, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an ooey gooey leftover way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Not a bad idea. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.